Health Protection Agency. She has taken a lead role in investigating many public health emergencies following September 11th bioterrorism threats, e.g. threat with anthrax. Uh, uh, Ms. Mithani has been on various committees and served as chairperson of VANIC professional group. She has always enjoyed science and politics. In 2002, she won the local election in London Borough of Harrow in Kenton West Ward and became the first Indian woman conservative council to win Kenton West, the area where we are sitting. She enjoys helping committee meetings. Ms. Mithani is a lead member on Overview and Scrutiny Committee for Health and Social Care. She has helped various communities and residents on various issues like planning, schooling, and traffic issues. It is challenging to be a politician, and she enjoys it. Adivina Mithani, it's to you.
Thank you for such a nice introduction. I think the microphone is not working, or it's not on. I always enjoyed Sindhi culture, and I've got many Sindhi friends in Bombay as well as in Hong Kong and in Karachi. I know it is hard for people to face problems, but I must say we are so lucky to be in England and in the United Kingdom. We've got all the rights given which people in other parts of the world are not lucky enough to face. As I was introduced, my background is all on health, and later on into 2002 and your village, please do join. But what I find here is we've got so much freedom, but people say we don't have time. And our people are just not participating in politics. They're not taking any interest in debates. They do not take part in consultation. They're like school governors required in schools, and that's where people can make changes or make policies. People are not everyone says they're too busy. I think if we devoted a little bit of time and took time out to work into UK politics, I think our voice will be heard, and there are a lot of issues which does affect us, and I think we united should get together and work for our problems. The examples I can give you about is with our young people. Now we have alcohol uptake increasing, so it's alcohol-related crimes. Uptake of drug-related crimes is increasing, and our young adults are hooked towards taking the drugs. So I think we have also issues. So we together should try to resolve our issues. What I would say is, as I'm in Harrow, I shall be.